What's up, everybody? So I just got home from a wedding. Makeup looks pretty good. Hair, it could have done better. But I just wanted to unbox the Allure Beauty Box. I am new to the subscription. This is my first box that I got in, so I'm like so excited. I can't wait to see what's inside. So let's get into it. Thanks for your purchase. You're welcome. I think because this was my first box, they gave me like a bonus gift. So I got the Libre Lu New perfume. I think this is like their new fragrance. And I do like the normal Libre perfume, so that smells so good. If you're familiar with the Libre perfumes, they're like this deep sweet smell. Just delicious. Okay, it has all these inserts. Let's glow. You're officially part of the Allure family. And this is what's in the actual beauty box. So first is this Toka perfume. It is Layla. I remember when these scents came out, I want to say like 12 years ago at Anthropology. This is a really nice bright citrus fragrance. Let's see, Layla is the embodiment of the Italian expression. So this is like a citrus and vanilla type scent. It smells really good. Next are these whitening strip samples. My Smile. I've never tried these, so give those a go. Okay, then we have the Ofra Black Eyeliner. Oh my gosh, my hair. We were like partying. We were seriously dancing and partying all night. Okay, I love Ofra products, so that's definitely a win. Then is the Orabella Nightcap. Okay, this is like a nighttime perfume from Orabella. Okay. This is Bella Hadid's fragrance line, I'm pretty sure. Oh, wow. It almost smells like root beer soda. I know that's such an odd fragrance, but like it smells like literally root beer soda. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I know she does like essential oils in these, like you could see them. I don't know if you could see that, but it smells like root beer soda. So there's that. Next is the Sephora Super Brightening Serum. Interesting. I did not think they would have like a Sephora brand product in here. I'm new to this subscription. I'm so used to Ipsy, so. Then we have the Lash Follicle Fortifying Serum from Nulastin. Okay. You like, it's almost like skincare for your eyelashes to help them grow maybe. Oh, okay. It's not even like a mascara wand. It's like this little tip. So you just like put it at the base of your eyelashes, morning and night on clean eyelashes. I'm actually gonna start trying this tonight, so we'll see about that. My makeup held up really well throughout the night. I mean, we were like dancing the whole night. I think it's like 10 o'clock and we were dancing pretty much from like 5:30 to 10. So if you want to see how I got this wedding guest makeup look, check it out here. Okay, next is the Wow Color Security Shampoo. Okay, I just tried the hairspray, the Texas Hold'em hairspray tonight for the first time, and honestly, it like, I don't know, you could see my hair, it kind of fell flat. So I'm curious to try other products from this brand. I don't really color my hair. I might have like old highlights that are grown out. Probably not anymore at this point. I think they're all cut off, but I don't really color my hair. I just like glaze it or gloss it. So we'll see how that works out. Then is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, the Skinny Brow Pencil in medium brown. We all know and absolutely love this product, so that's a win. And lastly is the Create Your Magic Black to Pink Lip Gloss. Now, this looks so crazy. Black glitter sparkle lip gloss. And it says it turns pink, so oh yeah. Wow. Actually really nice. It's almost like a lip oil. And that is what was in my first Allure Beauty Box. To be honest, I don't know, I'm not super impressed. Obviously, the best thing is the Yves Saint Laurent perfume. This alone, I think, is like over $100. And I would definitely purchase this on my own. I absolutely love this perfume. But everything else was kind of midline. I think if this were a different scent, I would have liked it much more. But it literally smells like root beer. So, not sure. Did sign up for a year subscription. It's always cheaper to buy them annually if you can do that for these like Boxly subscriptions. So let me know what you guys think. If you are a subscriber to Allure, let me know what you guys got in your box. Maybe this was just like the intro box. The other thing I noticed about Allure is that they don't allow you to like customize. They don't ask any preferences like hair, skin type, anything like that. Like Ipsy gives you, it lets you pick your hair color, your eye color, like your skin's needs, products that you use. The Allure box had absolutely zero customization. So, I don't know, I guess we'll see and wait for the next box to come in. If you like this video, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.